Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to add series of design speeds to road alignment in Civil 3D. For example, we have one road like this and we need to add design speed from here to here 50 km per hour, but for this portion we need separate design speed like 30 meter per hour. Then how can we add different design speed to our road alignment? So we will add a series of design speed to road D, and later in the next exercise we will label these sections of the road using a label set. Just open your drawing 611 alignment design speed from the description link. If you did not get, please write down in the comment box and I will drop you this drawing. Now bring up the alignment property dialog box for road D. How you can do that? Just select your road D alignment and you will see contextual tab. Then just click alignment properties, and if you are here or any other tab, just switch to the design criteria tab here. Verify that the design speed field for number 1 here is 48 km per hour. So it is fine. This speed is typical for a subdivision street. Now click add design speed button here. You will see one more number here, number 2. Click to select row number 2 and then click in the start station here. A small pick on screen button appears to the right of the station value, which you can see here. Now click the pick on screen button and then use an O snap to pick the PC on the east portion of the site, or you can write just 294.37 and just enter. Now enter a value of 32 km per hour in the design speed field for the line you just added. Then click the add design speed button again here. Notice that the additional row is added to the top of the list. Then again select the new row. Then click in the start station field for the new row and enter like this. We need another design speed from here. Type station 620.10 and press enter. Now notice that the rows order according to the station value in the start station column. So enter a value of 48 km per hour for this design speed. Just press enter. Now click OK to accept the setting in the alignment property dialog box. So this is how you can add different design speed for each portion of the alignment in the road design. In a subdivision, these values can be inserted for labeling purposes. In a highway design, they can be used to derive the super elevation calculations that are critical to our working design speed. So stay tuned with us for the next exercise where we will learn how to label our alignment using label sets.